Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the red alliance, we see 2035 firing off a couple notes, not making it into the speaker, one leaving the field. However, they will be starting in a good position to pick up some of those in teleop, and Blue Alliance, meanwhile, has some scoring done from robots leaving the starting zones. But now we have all of our teams on the move. On blue, Gearheads lining up by their amp. That note gets in place. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Space Cookies, make a shot at the speaker. Not quite landing on target, but they're picking it up and trying it again. On red, meanwhile, Team Magma doesn't have quite enough lift on that note. However, they still have plenty of time to make that up. And this time, on blue, Space Cookies do get that note scored in the speaker, earning them 2 points. And their alliance partners, Gearheads, shuffling notes back and forth and into that blue amp. On red, meanwhile, looks like Team Magma not in motion at the moment, so it will be down to their alliance partners, Plus Ultra and the Rockin' Bots, to try and make up some of that score. However, for now, the Blue Alliance is pulling ahead with a 10-point lead, but Plus Ultra for red gets 2 more points from a note scored in the speaker, and they're quickly able to pick up another one. Blue, however, their scoring is starting to get more and more steady, courtesy of Space Cookies, bringing those notes into the speaker. And with a minute left, Blue is ahead by just 5 points. Seeing both of our teams' scores climbing up. And Team Magma is back in motion on the Red Alliance, immediately picking up a note and making a shot at the speaker. And on blue, meanwhile, 2813, they have switched gears and just fire that note into the speaker instead of the amp. And with 35 seconds left, blue ahead by 7 points. Gearheads looking to make that a couple more. They're lining up in front of their speaker. Unfortunately, that shot does not quite make it in, but their alliance partners, Space Cookies, taking their place, and we'll see if they have better luck. And we are now into the endgame, the final 20 seconds of the match. We have both of our alliances trying to place those high notes onto the microphones. Looks like so far, none of them have quite landed in place, but the robots still have 5 seconds left to try and get on stage. Final 3 seconds, it looks like Team 3008 may have just made it up in the air. By a narrow margin, just 35 to 33 points.